Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy cinematic effect on Filmora X. So let's start the video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. So drag your video into timeline. So let's check a little preview. As you can see, this is a normal video. Okay, now go sample colors and add deep blue color into timeline. Double click on sample color and go compositing. Change compositing to soft light. And you're done. As you can see, our effect is done. Let's check before and after comparison. Okay, our effect is done, so let's export it. So add new video into timeline. Delete extra part of video. Let's take a little preview. Okay, now go sample colors and add white color. Double click on sample color and go compositing. Change compositing to exclusion. Now go effects and search B&W film and drag this to the video. So as you can see, our video has changed to negative effect. Okay, now export it. After export, delete white color and right click on video and delete all effect. And import video which is exported before. Add exported video into upper track. Now double click on video and go compositing. Change compositing to overlay. Now again go effects and search square blur. And drag this to new video. Double click on this and go video effects. Set blur size to 80 to 90%. And you're done. Render frame and check preview. Let's check before and after comparison. So as you can see, our HDR effect is done. So let's export it. So add new video into timeline. Right click on this and click crop to fit for fit the screen. Now go sample colors and add black color into timeline. Now double click on this and go compositing. Change compositing to soft light. Now change opacity to 60 to 70% and you done. Let's check preview. Let's take before and after comparison. So as you can see, our effect is done. So let's export it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. And also leave a comment which effect you want on Filmora. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.